let's look at some dividing of fractions further. And in particular now, I want to look at whole numbers being divided by fractions. So in this example here, I've got two wholes. And so you can see I've got there two wholes. So one rectangle, two rectangles, two cakes. And I'm dividing that into thirds. So I'm separating each of those cakes into thirds. And what it's asking is how many thirds are there in 2. So in terms of the mathematics, and we can see the answer there, we've got 6 thirds in total. So we know that that's what our answer will come out to be. Let's have a look at the mathematics of that. So again, I want to leave that first fraction or first number alone. Then I'm going to change the division into a multiplication. And by doing so, I need to flip that fraction after it, the second fraction, and that's going to become 3 over 1. Now I can multiply the numerators, 2 times 3 over 1, which is 6 over 1, which is 6. And so that's our answer. We've got 6 thirds in 2. What if I've got this? Divide 4 fifths into thirds. So I'm going to leave my first fraction alone. I'm going to change the division to a multiplication, and by doing so I need to reverse or find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 3 over 1. Now multiply the numerators, 4 times 3, and the denominators, 5 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 1 is 5. I might be able to leave that as an improper fraction, but I personally would rather change that to a mixed fraction. And I know 5 times 2 is 10, so that's going to give me 2 wholes, and then there's going to be a remainder of 2, so there's 2 fifths left over.